Hello, students. This is Marcus Learning Center, and this is our online class contact number for 647-778-8725. And our school majoring tutoring all high school math, and as well as English for grade 12 advanced function calculus. And also the first online class is free. Please, feel free to book the first free online class. And today, I'm going to teach you the grade 12 advanced function. For the textbook is Ryerson. So if you have the same textbook, please open to unit 1.5. And I'm going to teach you how to find every slope and instantaneous slope. So on the textbook, page 60, example 3. So for unit 1.5, and it's exercise for the average slope. The formula is m equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we are going to do example 3 for the function. For h at t is equal negative 4.9t squared plus 14t at 1. And we are looking for the slope in the interval when x equal 2 and also when x equal 2.5. Now let's plug in the equation to find it. So we're going to find the slope. So for y2, we're going to substitution for 2.5. So we're going to write the equation. So negative 4.9. I'm going to move the camera more in this side, so better for your vision. So times 2.5 exponent 2 at 14 times 2.5 and plus 1. Now for this whole equation, we're going to get a y2. Now for the y1, so we're going to get the t equal to, so negative 4.9 times 2 squared plus 14 times 2 at 1. So, and then for this whole y2 and minus y1, so we're going to divide. So x2 minus x1, it will be 2.5 minus 2. So practice your calculator and get y2 and y1. So I'm going to write, use my calculator. I got the y2 as 5.375. And then for a y1, I'm going to get as a 9.4. So, and then from here, I'm going to use 2.5 minus 2. I got 0.5. Now, and we're going to do the second step. And we continue to the calculation. So 5.378 minus 9.4. So, and then divide it. What are we going to get? I get negative 8.05. And this is the slope for the average slope for this equation. So you're going to see for the calculation, it's only 2 steps. So place the y2 substitution for the equation and y1 substitution for the equation for the for t equal 2 and t equal 2.5. Use your calculator, subtract it, and divide 0.5. You got the slope negative 8.05, the average slope for this function. Now that's for unit 1.5. So I'm going to explain it to you for the next unit, 1.6. Now in the textbook, unit 1.6 is calculation for the instantaneous slope. The same formula, like m equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Please look at the page 69 for example 3. So if we have an equation here, d at the t equal 5t exponent 2. The question asking the velocity when t equal 2 seconds. So for instantaneous slope, it's looking for the point very close. For example, if I'm going to plot this equation, 5t, so it will be like that. Now, how about when t equal 2 seconds? So 1, 2. So the point will be here. So the instantaneous slope is looking for the tangible line like that. So therefore, the slope is very tiny distance. So the next recalculation, the slope will be 2.01. So I'm going to put like t equal 2.1. Now we are going to find the instantaneous slope close to t equal 2. So we're going to plug inside the formula, like m is equal. So when t equal 2.1, so we're going to have a 5 times 2.1 square. And then subtract 5 times t square. So this is going to be y2 minus y1. Now, how about x2 minus x1 will be 2.1 subtract 2. Now, what are we going to get? So for m equal. So I'm going to use a calculator to get 2.1 exponent 2 times 5 to get our job faster. So if I have 2.1 exponent 2 and times 5, so I'm going to get 22.05. Subtract. So 2 squared is a 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Now we're going to 2.1 minus 2. We have a 0.1. Now we're going to get the slope here. So the slope equal, so 22 minus 20. We are going to get 2.05. So it's equal 2.05 divided by 0.1. Now the instantaneous slope equal how much? So it's equal 20.5. So this slope is instantaneous slope. So it's close to 1 point for the tangible line. And that's how we do it. So now for the unit 1.5 and 1.6, since calculation slope is pretty simple, that's why I give you one example to illustrate it. And you can do exercise in the book. So, and I'm going to do the chapter 1 unit test for the next video. And this is for our Smart Kids Learning Center class, the contact number, and also booking for the first online class free. And I hope you continue to exercise and please subscribe. And I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.